morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 21st January 2025. Political news. BJP ministers to meet RSS in Maharashtra ahead of local body elections. Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, ministers in Maharashtra are scheduled to meet with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, RSS, at their Mumbai office in Lower Parel over the weekend. The discussions aim to address core issues as local body elections approach, reflecting strengthened coordination between the two organizations following challenges in the recent Lok Sabha polls. Dileep Saikia appointed as Assam BJP chief. Dileep Saikia, a veteran leader who rose through the ranks of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, ABVP, has been appointed as the new president of the Assam BJP. His selection comes amidst internal dissent within a faction of the party's old guard concerning the influence of the new guard led by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Sports news. India to maintain flexible middle order in T20 series against England. All-rounder Axar Patel announced that India will adopt a flexible approach for their middle-order batting positions in the upcoming 5-match T20 series against England. Except for openers Sanju Samson and Abhishek Sharma, batting positions 3 to 7 will be adjusted based on match situations to optimize performance against various bowlers. This strategy is part of India's preparation for defending their title in next year's T20 World Cup, co-hosted with Sri Lanka. India vs England first T20 match details. The first T20 international between India and England is set for 22nd January 2025 at Eden Gardens in Kolkata, starting at 1:30 p.m. UK time. England, led by Jos Buttler and under new white ball coach Brendan McCullum, aims to avenge their 2-1 series defeat in 2022. Notably, Ben Stokes will be absent due to a hamstring injury. The match will be broadcast live on Talk Sport 2, TNT Sports, and Discovery Plus. India clinches 4 gold medals at U17 World Wrestling Championships. Indian wrestlers delivered an outstanding performance by securing 4 gold medals at the Under-17 World Wrestling Championships. This achievement highlights the nation's growing prowess in wrestling on the global stage. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.